Hi guys, I want to show you our new first aid pouch. It's designed for placement on the back of the driver's seat for you to have a quick access to your first aid kit in any situation. Sometimes your trunk is damaged, sometimes you don't have the possibility to stop on a highway, so it's yours in any situation. It attaches tightly and safely, and it has two elastic holders on the top for you to put something for extra quick access like tourniquet or reflective vest. You can rapidly put it off and go to the casualty, or you can use it without getting off. Here you can see 8 slots from a strong mesh with labels where you can write some tips what's inside. And here's the slots for reflective bracelets for your passengers maybe. It easily fits all that you need for rescue safety, bleeding control, a lot of bandages, also a booby kit, a hypothermia prevention kit, burns dressing, splint, maybe chest seal, and a lot of tools. So if you want to get some more information, please check the links below, and we'll be glad to answer your questions in the comments. Bye. A reflective vest. Go to the casualty. From strong mesh. Hey guys.